Hello everyone. In this video, I'm replacing the ignition coil wiring for my Kia Cerato. Why? Because as you can see, my coil wiring clips already broken, and I'm just using some cable ties and the wire to hold the socket in position. So let me show you what's the problem. So let me release the cable tie. In the normal condition, you have to release the clip before you can unhook the coil wire socket. But right now, the clip already broken. So actually, I can straight away just pull out the socket without releasing the clip. So as you can see here, this one already broken. This one we have the black bracket here, black color one. So that's why this left side one cannot lock tightly in, and it will lose anytime. So this is a new one. I think better to release. Okay, there's a screw there. I think better be. Okay. This one. All right, it's out. Okay, let's remove the old cable. Let's put the new wiring. Okay. Okay, let's put back my PCV hose. Okay, I think everything back in place. So let's try start the engine if all working good. So guys, when you are removing the coil socket, have to be very careful. There's two steps. Some of the people, after they're releasing this gray color clip, and they will straight away pull out the socket, which that will damage the clip inside. So after you push out the gray clip, you need to press inside this black color area here. Just press inside there to release the lock. So then you will not damage the lock inside lah. Okay. So when you push it back. Okay, see you guys in my next video. If you have any question, comment below. Remember to subscribe and like. See you, bye.